Check out this museum of death.
Shut up.
I was sitting here thinking these were like Disney animatronic robots. Jasper just told me they all used to be alive. So this is literally a store that is just filled with a museum of death. Maybe I am. Whoa, look at the elephant. So that was a real elephant that someone hunted down. But they didn't take the tusks. So that's good. They didn't kill it for its tusks. They just killed it for all of the Minnesotans to be able to look at it. Oh. Man, look at they got the facial expressions like crazy. That cat is totally chasing that sable. Wow. Look at these. Oh my God, look at these lions going after this poor old lady down here on the ground. The buffalo. Dang, they're angry. Cabela's Museum of Death. Man, I like the way they painted it in here too. It's cool. It's really neat. This place is cool. Thanks for bringing me here.
You're welcome.